Hello friends, in this video we will discuss how to use constraint. Constraints are restrictions that can be applied to sketches so that they won't change and will behave according the way you want. Some of the basic constraints which we are going to show you are the parallel constraint that will make two lines parallel to each other, the perpendicular constraint that would make two lines perpendicular to each other, the horizontal constraint that will make any line horizontal to the x-axis or parallel to the x-axis, the vertical constraint that will make it parallel to the y-axis. The tangent constraint will make two curves tangent to each other, and the equal constraint will make two lines equal to each other. I will show you use of each constraint one by one and how to use them in a figure. I have randomly drawn two lines. Now I will make them equal. This is how you can make them equal, and by use of parallel constraint you can make them parallel. uh, if I apply a perpendicular constraint, it won't happen because it is already constrained by parallel. So you have to keep in mind that you do not over constrain your figure. This point should always be kept in mind. Now I will show you how to use constraint in figure. Suppose I want this line to be parallel to the axis. So I will select vertical constraint and click on it. You see it has now been parallel to axis. You may be wondering that when I selected vertical, this line should have been vertical, but you should always keep in mind the view you have selected. You can see here the top view says this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Hence this is actually vertical and this is horizontal. And I will select horizontal and make this line horizontal. Then I select parallel and make this line parallel to this line, and I then select perpendicular and make these two perpendicular, and hence you will see that these two automatically gets perpendicular. You don't need to apply additional constraint. Let's move to tangent constraint. I can draw a circle. I want this circle to be tangent to my this line, and hence you can see when you apply tangent there is a possibility that the circle will move, and also the length of some of the figure may change if you haven't provided the dimension. So if you don't want your circle to move, you should use a fixed point by fixing its center. Tangent can also be applied to two curves. You can see this way. I don't want this circle to move, hence I will also fix this point. Now I will use line, two lines. I will select my tangent command and make it tangent. You may have noticed, even though there has been slight change in radius of the circle so as to make this tangent. So if you don't want that to happen, you must fix the radius of the circle. I don't know why this is working. In such way. Hence this was the constraint. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe.